Soap has come a long way over the years. Not only does it keep us clean and germ-free, but it also comes in all kinds of scents, shapes, and textures. But have you ever wondered how it's made? It all starts with selecting the right oils. While early soap makers used animal fats, modern production has shifted toward plant-based oils like olive oil. This change not only makes soap gentler on the skin, but also eliminates unwanted impurities. The quality of olive oil depends on the olives themselves. The timing of the harvest, along with how carefully the fruit is handled, plays a big role in producing high-quality oil. Some olives are picked by hand, especially for premium oils, to prevent bruising, while others are gathered using machines. Once harvested, the olives go through a cleaning process to remove leaves and dirt. Special vibrating screens help separate the unwanted bits. After that, the olives are crushed to release their oil. While stone mills were traditionally used, modern facilities now rely on stainless steel crushers or hammer mills. The crushed olives then go through a process called malaxation. This step involves slowly mixing the olive paste to encourage the oil droplets to merge. Once the paste is ready, it's placed in a centrifuge, where spinning forces separate the oil from water and solid components. The extracted oil is sometimes filtered to remove any last traces of impurities. Now comes the key ingredient in soap making, sodium hydroxide, also known as lye. The exact amount is carefully measured based on the type of oil being used. When mixed together, the oils and lye undergo a chemical reaction called saponification. This reaction turns the fats into soap and glycerin. The mixture is heated and stirred in large stainless steel vessels to ensure everything blends smoothly. Keeping the right temperature is critical, too hot or too cold, and the reaction won't go as planned. The temperature usually ranges between 100 and 150 degrees Celsius. Throughout the process, workers monitor the pH levels to ensure the soap reaches the right balance. As the soap forms, glycerin is produced as a byproduct. In commercial soap making, glycerin is often extracted and sold for use in cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. Once the soap mixture is fully processed, it's sprayed onto a large metal roller, where it begins to solidify. A blade scrapes the soap off in thin ribbons, which fall into a hopper. An auger moves these ribbons through a chute, sending them to a rolling mill where they're compressed and refined. After milling, the soap is cut into smaller, denser ribbons and pushed through an extruder fitted with a noodle plate. This step shapes the soap into small, uniform noodles. These soap noodles then move into a mixer, where essential ingredients like fragrances, colors, and moisturizers are added. Some soaps include exfoliants, while others contain specialty oils for extra skin benefits. Once mixed, the soap batch is pushed through another extruder to smooth out any clumps and refine the texture. The soap is then shaped into long bars or other forms before being cut into individual pieces using precision machines. After cutting, the bars need time to dry. Some manufacturers air dry them, while others use drying rooms to speed up the process. Once hardened, the soap goes through stamping, where a mold or die presses a brand logo or a design onto the bar. Finally, the soap is packaged, whether in boxes, wrappers, or plastic, ready to be stocked on store shelves. Every step of the process includes quality checks, from ensuring the right pH levels to testing fragrance and texture. Additionally, manufacturers manage waste responsibly, recycling byproducts and minimizing environmental impact. And that's how soap goes from a simple olive on a tree to the bar sitting in your bathroom, ready to keep you fresh and clean.